What's the most painful thing you've said to someone you love?
अरे यार मैं बहुत गंदी जबान है मेरी यार. नहीं
हाँ यार मैं तो बहुत
नहीं रहने दो भाई. I've probably said this to my dad or my mom only.
यार नहीं,
which
हम
is
शॉर्ट
why-
ले लेते
let
हैं
it
ये
be.
नहीं. हाँ
आय, कितना गंदा होता है यार ये. हरिओम. 3 things that you do
Sorry.
in love.
3 things I do in love. I become extremely codependent. मैं बहुत क्लिंगी बन जाती हूँ और मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा इनसिक्योर और सेंसिटिव बन जाती हूँ. ये 3 क्लासिक ट्रेट्स है मेरे.
I become very patient, which is not a virtue in general that I have. बिल्कुल ही नहीं है मेरे अंदर. And second, I think how does love change me? मैं थोड़ी हाँ हो तो जाती हूँ दीवानी. I only talk about that person for a very long time. Like तुम कोई भी कहीं से भी टॉपिक बात कर रहे हो, मैं एक तो बात घुसा ही दूंगी उसकी.
Yeah.
So I become that person, you know. And I think third thing I would say, I think I'm a better person in love. मतलब without love I don't think I'm that good. Like now पहले तो एक ही बात है, मिजरी भी वही है और वही है. But now I think I've just like you become more productive. I become more productive. You know, you're like अरे हाँ love life sorted
मेरा
है.
ऑपोजिट हो जाता है. मुझे लगता है कि मैं प्यार हो गया ना, मुझे और कुछ करना ही नहीं है लाइफ में. मैं सब त्याग देती हूँ, मैं सब छोड़ देती हूँ.
मुझे लगता है कि ये लाइफ ऑफ पार्ट सेट हो गया, चलो अब दूसरी चीज कर सकते हैं, इस पे फोकस नहीं करना है एनी मोर टाइप्स. ऐसा सेंड अ वॉइस नोट टू अ लॉन्ग लॉस्ट फ्रेंड ऑफ योर्स. नहीं यार, that door is shut for a reason.
Yeah, no, not happening.
Yeah.
Cheers. Fuck
They
that.
don't deserve a voice note.
हाय हाय.
भाई अब सारे आंसर करने पड़ेंगे, मैं नहीं पी सकती है.
Read out the most cringiest DM you've ever received.
ये पहले बता देते तो स्क्रीनशॉट करके लेकर आती मैं, पर किसी ने a few days ago somebody said they want to be my slave. They'll pay me and they just want me to dominate them, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Wow, I don't think I can top that. That's crazy.
And that's not the first time I got it, by the way.
Yeah.
They step over my neck वगैरह वाला तो mother please step over my neck. So, yeah.
What's something you struggle to forgive yourself for?
यार my stupidity, my impatience. मैं बेवकूफ़ी अपनी नहीं भूल पाती यार. मुझे कल रात को लेटे कुछ तो याद आया था. I shriveled like a penis in cold regions. Like it was that bad. Literally 4 दिन पहले की बात है. And we were negotiating something and I was like कि no, but my manager told me this. But they said, Soumya, let me finish. मैं मर गई वहीं पर. And that is so embarrassing for me. यार, so fucking embarrassing.
I think 2 चीजें हैं. One, मैंने आदमियों को ना बहुत ज्यादती करने दिया अपने साथ in relationships, और I have let them get away with a lot of things.
Yeah.
And I don't think I'll ever forgive myself for it. Because more than forgiving them, I'm like, I should have protected myself.
नहीं, they should have been less of a
Of course, but I should have protected myself.
नहीं यार, पता है ऐसा होता है ना, at that age when you even take a step to protect yourself ना, they're so manipulative, and since they're a man, they have been out in society for far longer than you have been. तुमने 18 साल में पहली बार रोड देखी है जो हाईवे को कनेक्ट करती है. वो आदमी 12 साल की उम्र से अपनी बाइक पे बैठ के जा रहा है. उसने दुनिया ज्यादा देखी है. वो तुमको मैनिपुलेट कर लेगा. The moment you try to get out of it, they will find a way to manipulate you back into it. So you did help yourself, but you just didn't have the tools to help yourself back then.
Yeah. और दूसरी चीज, I have treated my mom very harshly.
Okay.
I think mothers are the most misunderstood women in our lives. I think I judged my mother a lot क्योंकि had taken up jobs and she wasn't there a lot at home. But now I realize कि यार मतलब the kind of family that my mom married into, because I belong to a very orthodox Rajasthani family. मेरी मम्मी ने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें, it was very new for her. She was an 18-year-old when she got married. She was also a child when she had kids. So मतलब when she went out and got that job, that was her first taste of freedom that she could afford. And so I get it now. I'm like, I know why you did it, and I don't hold it against her at all. And I feel like if I could like erase myself to make sure that my mother had a great life, I would. So, gee.
No. होता है यार. I mean, Very common. My mom also same story. यहाँ से गई. In fact, my mom is from Mumbai, so like I feel worse for her.
Yeah.
भाई मैं तो बहुत बुल सुना देती थी. And मेरी जबान बहुत गंदी है, काली एकदम. और मैं सुना भी देती थी और बाद में अब even if my mom says something that is really bad, I just don't say anything to her.
Yeah.
कि अब मैं पुराने जमाने पुराने पापों के कर्म के लिए मैं कुछ नहीं बोलती यार अब. And my father is like क्यों उससे तो कुछ नहीं बोलती हो, उससे तो कुछ नहीं बोलती हो. And I was like
अब आपकी बारी. Smash patriarchy. Yeah.
Finish the sentence. I miss
my 20-year-old body.
Oh, same.
Yeah.
It was banging. Body
Yeah.
was tea, man.
Yeah.
I think I miss. Honestly, it's a little political, but I really miss being in a country where you could say anything you wanted to. Like as a comedian, it does impact me directly.
What's one thing you can't forgive your parents for?
I don't think there is anything they've done that I wouldn't forgive them for. They've forgiven me for so much shit. Why so much shit? And I'm an unconditional love person in general.
So she's answered. I don't have to answer now. One of us has to answer. Change the format very conveniently. नहीं,
No,
मुझे
it's
भी,
fine.
मेरे माँ बाप भी भगवान समान हैं. ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं है जो हमने गलत की. Next.
नहीं, I think they could have understood me a lot better. और वो ऐसा होता है ना कि forgiveness नहीं होती है, वो बस एक मलाल होता है. It's not forgiveness.
हाँ.
क्योंकि तुमने माफ ही कर दिया है भाई.
Correct.
और like I understand you. But it's
Yeah.
more like कि you shouldn't have done that.
A lot of my childhood, I feel.
Negligence, no?
Yeah. What is a song that gives you instant comfort?
Wait.
You have to sing it.
मुझे songs
You
के
have to
नाम.
sing it.
यार मैं बहुत बुरी हूँ
It's
यार.
okay
My
to
voice is.
sing it.
First you go then. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. मेरे नाम नहीं याद रहते हैं. Instant. Okay. Flowers are blooming. अभी recent में PCRC का जो नहीं है. Flowers are blooming. The music is really good.
Nice.
Flowers are blooming. Answers are looming. बस यार मैं नहीं कर सकती है. Please मत करो ऐसा. Yours.
I think mine is like one of those old Bollywood songs. आजा सनम मधुर चांदनी में हम तुम मिले तो वीराने में भी आ जाएगी बाहर लगेगा आसमां.
बहुत अच्छा यार, तुम तो बहुत अच्छा गाती हो.
Speak to your future self. Say one hope, one warning and one wish. होप ये है कि तुम अपने जहां हो वहां खुश हो जाओ. ये मत सोचो कि ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, ये वो मिलता रहेगा, आता रहेगा. जहां हो वहां खुश हो जाओ और वहां ठहराव लेना सीख लो. That is one hope. One warning is stay away from flattery. Stay away from yes men. I think surround yourself with people who ground you.
Yeah.
One warning. And one wish that you're happy.
I hope whatever you think makes you happy, you get that and you realize that it's not. That is all. Because you really need to learn that. We're self-aware to know that this is the truth. We just don't know how to practice it. So I hope that sorts itself. One warning is what she said, yes. The second would be, I think, don't get swayed with whatever people think about you. Like there are
Whether it's good or bad.
Whether it's good or bad, your opinion of yourself is the most important.
Yeah.
And I know this right now. We're self-aware to know this.
Yeah.
It's just I hope you have the will to practice it. You have the tools to like practice all of this. So the one warning that I would give myself is that just. And one wish. I really, really hope you want whatever you wanted to do, no matter what it is, you do get it. Because I know that we don't wish for a lot of things in life. We wish for smaller things in life, and I hope इतनी small wish नहीं पूरी हुई तो क्या बात क्या है? So yeah. कितने kindly बात की मैंने अपने आप से, देखा तुमने? हाँ.
Lovely. I actually really enjoyed this conversation.
So did we.
Yeah.
It was so fun.
Yeah.
What is that one thing that makes you proud of you?
Her strength, her grit, her zest for life, and her love for other people. She's the best. Yeah, she's one of the best people I have had the good fortune of having in my life.
That is so sweet.
You can't replicate a Soumya.
I want to cry. I think I really admire Vagmita's decisiveness a lot. She knows what she wants. She goes for the kill. That level of knowing who you are, what you want, I think that clarity is insane. I really admire how funny she is. Like, she doesn't, like, in personal friendship, for me, I hold it at the highest thing, how interesting of a person you are. And she's one of the most interesting people I've ever met in life. है ना? And I've told you so many times, I've met people, I'm like, boring, I will never meet this person again. And she's like, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है सौम्या? Boring cannot be a crime. It is. And I really admire how much, and how the way she shows love for people. It's very out there. It might not be an I love you, but it will be very in your face that she loves you a lot. मतलब मैं घर से नीचे, मतलब ये नहीं है कि तू मेरे घर आ जा, हम साथ चलते हैं, ये मेरे घर के नीचे से मुझे पिकअप करती है, बल्कि खाली एक लिटरली मुझे 5 कदम चलना है. सो दैट शोज हाउ मच लाइक दिस इज द वे माय ब्रदर और माय फादर लव्स मी.
That's the biggest compliment.
Yeah, it's such a comfort, whatever you need, whatever you. Yes.
So if there's one friendship goal you would like for
My friendship goal is that you come to my house. मेरा लखनऊ वाला घर.
हाँ, और तुम जयपुर आओ दिवाली
हाँ,
celebrate.
हाँ, दिवाली
हम
वगैरह.
एक दूसरे के घर जाएं. Which will explain all the lore कि हम ऐसे क्यों हैं.
Yeah.
And हाँ, हम
और हमारी जो आरामदाही की पर्सनालिटी है, उसको पीछे से एक तो मिल जाए. हम दोनों बहुत ऐसे आराम परस्त लोग हैं.
बहुत.
हम मतलब आराम से लेटने वाले लोग हैं. और that goes back to small town upbringing.
Correct.
दिन में कौन काम करता है?
दिन में कौन काम करता है?
खाना खा के तो लेटना होता है यार 10 मिनट.
मैं सौम्या को कभी भी कॉल करती हूँ, बोलती सौम्या क्या कर रही है? बस लेटी थी. लेटी थी मतलब साथ में कुछ कर रही थी नहीं, मैं बस लेटी हुई थी.
So yeah, guys.
And one goal collectively which is coming true is our podcast. It's called Shut Up We're Talking, which you got a good example of. अभी तुम्हें काफी अच्छा example मिल गया होगा. And
Yeah.
It launches very soon.
Yeah,
Very
we're trying to launch it soon क्योंकि हम आराम परस्त लोग हैं. हमें 6 महीने लग गए हैं. But we're trying to like हम तुम्हारे खाने के टेबल पे होने चाहिए. Yes. तुम्हारी खाने का निवाला ना निकल पाए अगर जब तक का ये आंसर ना करे तो yeah, that.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.